There's a spiral stone funnel sitting in the Peruvian desert that's been moving water since 500 CE. No pump, no engine. It channels wind down into an underground tunnel, which pushes water miles across one of the driest places on Earth. It still works today. The Romans get the credit for ancient water engineering, and fair enough. Aqueducts stretching hundreds of miles, gravity-fed, precisely graded, supplying entire cities. If you think sophisticated water management in the ancient world, you think of Rome. But here's what that framing misses. The Romans built above ground. Everything they moved sat exposed to sun, to heat, to evaporation. It worked because Europe let it work. Mild climate, reliable rainfall, rivers that don't disappear. The Nazca were solving a harder problem in a harder place. Southern coast of Peru, annual rainfall barely hits 25 millimeters. Droughts that last years. No river you can count on. Just desert and a civilization that needed water anyway. So they went underground. They tunneled into the water table in the Andean foothills, lined the channels with smooth river cobbles, and sloped them gently downhill towards their villages and fields. Water moved by gravity, stayed cool, and arrived clean. Nothing exposed to the sun, nothing lost to evaporation, and they called it puquios. The spiral openings you can see from the surface, the ojos, the eyes, everyone assumed those were just maintenance hatches, access points for repairs. For years, that was the official read. In 2016, satellite imaging showed what they actually are. Wind pumps. The spiral geometry funnels surface wind down into the tunnels, keeps the water moving, and keeps it oxygenated. The whole system runs on gravity and wind. No moving parts, no maintenance beyond cleaning debris. Compare that to the ancestral Puebloans in the American Southwest, also brilliant engineers, also working in an arid environment. They built check dams, terraced fields, surface canals, captured every drop of seasonal runoff they could. It worked, but everything they collected sat open under the desert sun. The Nazca didn't try to collect the water, they hid it from the climate. More than 40 of these systems have been found. Dozens are still functioning, still delivering fresh water to the valleys around the Nazca right now. Rome's aqueducts are monuments. You visit them. The puquios are still infrastructure. You drink from them. Rome built for a continent, the Nazca built for a desert, and one of those systems still works.